Hi guys, for today ay mag-aaral kami ng book ni Ellie. Tagalog version. Sa aking mukha. Ang aking mukha. You ready? Are you ready? Are you ready, Gabriel? Buhok. Buhok. Oh, where's your buhok? Buhok. Saan yung buhok mo? Buhok. Can you point your buhok? Buhok. Tawag? Buhok. Buhok. Can you point? Saan ang buhok? Buhok. Ay, ano ba yan? Point lang. Point. Where's your pointer? Buhok. Can you point your buhok? Buhok. O, sabi mo. Buhok. Buhok. Say, buhok. Buhok. Look, Ate Jinky. Where's buhok, Ate Jinky? Can you point buhok, Ate Jinky? Where's buhok, Ate Jinky? Where's buhok, Ate Jinky? Can you point? Yeah, it's your buhok. How about Ate Jinky? Hindi. Buhok ni Ate Jinky. Sana buhok ni Ate Jinky. Can you point? Buhok, Ate Jinky. Ate Jinky. Buhok. Oh, where's buhok, Ate Jinky? Buhok. Where's your buhok? 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 Buhok. Saan ang iyong buhok? Ito, bago kasi sa'yo, kaya hirap ka. Ngayon lang kasi natin kinuha. Ang tawag dito ay buhok. Next ay noo. Saan ang iyong noo? Ay, eyes yan. Noo. 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 Saan ang noo? I-point mo yung noo. Noo. Saan ang noo ni Ate Jinky? Saan ang noo ni Ate Jinky? Ate Jinky, saan ang noo ni Ate Jinky? Noo. Saan ulit ang noo ni Ate Jinky? Noo. Saan ang noo ni Gabriel? Noo. Saan ang noo ni Gabriel? Noo. Noo. Saan ulit ang noo ni Ate Jinky? Ate Jinky. Noo ni Ate Jinky. Ni Ate Jinky. Noo. Saan ulit? Look at that. Tingnan mo ako. Saan ang noo ni Ate Jinky? Noo. 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 No. Oh, that is noo. Next ay kilay. Kilay. Where's your kilay? Kilay. Kilay. Where's kilay, Ate Jinky? That's my kilay. Where's your kilay? Kilay. 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 How about mata? Where's your mata? Can you point your mata? Nose yan eh, mata. Mata. How about Ate Jinky, mata? Mata ni Ate Jinky. Mata. Mata, kilay yan. Mata. Where's mata? Mata. Oh, where's mata niya? Laki ng mata niya, oh. Big eyes. Mata. Ay, tok-tok naman ang tok-tok. Mata. Where's your mata? Mata. Where's my mata, Ate Jinky? Mata. Can you point again mata ni Ate Jinky? Mata. Where's mata, Ate Jinky? Can you point my mata? Tawag ka. Mata. How about ilong? Ilong. 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 How ilong ni Ate Jinky? Ilong ni Ate Jinky. Ilong mo yan. Ilong ni Ate Jinky. Saan ang ilong ni Ate Jinky? Ilong. Where's my ilong? Can you point my ilong, Gabriel? Saan ang ilong ni Ate Jinky? That's my ilong. I-point mo nga ilong ni Ate Jinky. Where's ilong ni Ate Jinky? Ilong. That's my ilong. Pisnge. Pisnge. Can you point your pisnge? Pisnge. Can you point your pisnge? Pisnge. Where's pisnge, Ate Jinky? Pisnge ni Ate Jinky. Yeah. That's my pisnge. Ikaw, pisngi mo. Where's your pisnge? Pisnge. That is your pisnge. That's Ate Jinky. Pisnge. That is your pisnge. Ate Jinky. Pisnge. How about tenga? Tenga. Where's your tenga? Tenga. How about Ate Jinky tenga? Can you point my tenga, Gabriel? Where's tenga ni Ate Jinky? Tenga. Look at that. Point mo yung tenga ko. That's my tenga. How about your tenga? This is your tenga. Look at that, oh. Tingnan mo, saan ang tenga mo dito? Tingnan mo, sa cellphone. Oh, saan ang tenga ni Gabriel? Ito ang tenga ni Gabriel. Tenga. Tenga ni Ate Jenke. Tenga mo.